Hello everyone, this is Bill Hahn Jr. of Hahn RaceCraft, and I'm going to take you on a tour of our new precision turbo-equipped TurboSystem 4 2.4 liter Pontiac Solstice and Saturn Sky. Of course, this is an evolution of a system we've been building for this really exciting car now for about 10 years straight. We used to build this with a Mitsubishi turbo, but our customers had been asking for more over the years, so we've decided to now incorporate the precision turbocharger line. And I'm just going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features here. Of course, that right there is a precision 5531 with the 39mm precision wastegate. We offer a lot of different turbo options in this system and can really meet any horsepower level you want. In addition, once you've got one of these systems on the vehicle, you can also upgrade to larger turbos in the future should you decide to go further with like a built motor. So it all starts right here at the turbocharger itself. A couple of other highlights I'd like to show you, of course, include the air filter down over in this direction. K&N air filter, just like all Hahn RaceCraft systems. We don't scrimp on quality. K&N is the only filter we'll put on. That's our billet blow-off valve located on the compressor discharge pipe. Nice large tubing leading to the mass air meter and the throttle body. And as I've mentioned, this is a well-proven system with hundreds in use today, now available with the Precision Turbo. Now let's take a closer look at that. Come back around here to the other side where all the action's at. As I mentioned, this is a 5531, but as you can see on our website at HahnRaceCraft.com, we offer many other different versions. This particular installation also includes some upgrades and extras I'm going to show you right now. Of course, you can see our Hahn RaceCraft heat shield, beautifully nestled there between the turbocharger and the wastegate. We recommend these heat shields for applications where there's going to be a lot of underhood heat, either in hot climates or a lot of summer driving or even racing. The heat shield will help keep the heat at a manageable level for all of the underhood components as well as the underside of the hood itself. And I'd like to offer they look darn good too. Of course, as I mentioned earlier too, there's a precision 39mm wastegate. Here we have an optional version of it where instead of an open wastegate dump or discharge, the discharge has been routed back into the catalytic converter. Goes down there a little bit further down. Of course, we include all the pieces in the kit to do the complete conversion. These additional extras include the ducted wastegate discharge, the heat shield, and over here is something else we highly recommend. We relocate the power steering reservoir to this area just above the battery. Of course, it used to live right over there next to the turbocharger, but in order to free up room for the larger turbo as well as take some heat stress out of the power steering, we pioneered this relocation scheme that has been copied many times since, but we're used to that. We've been in this business for a long time, making beautiful products that everybody likes to mimic. We don't mind setting the pace. If the best they can do is imitate what we have now, we'll always be one step ahead. We're gonna have to wait for our next stuff to come out to see what to copy next. So it's all here, including our extremely durable Fab 40 intake manifold, fabricated out of Schedule 40 materials, carries a lifetime warranty against cracking. That's right, as long as you own your Hahn RaceCraft turbo system, the original owner gets a new manifold if it ever cracks. It's another design that's been knocked off quite a bit over the years, but never perfected, because only we know how to make them as well as we do, because we have been in constant production of these Fab 40 turbo manifolds since the late 1990s, with tens of thousands of them under our belt by now. We know how to make them, and we know how to make them so that they last. So there it is. You can learn more on our website at www.HahnRaceCraft.com. Hahn RaceCraft and Precision Turbo, two of the biggest names in turbocharging, now teaming up to bring you the finest fabricated turbo systems and turbochargers you'll find anywhere. Complete kits, all that Hahn RaceCrafted performance, made in America right here. Made in America is great again at Hahn RaceCraft, now with Precision Turbo.